Carbon dioxide, or Colorado 2, is the main greenhouse gas in climate change. So how does CO2 get into our atmosphere? Well, carbon is part of a cycle. It starts with the sun, which heats the Earth's surface with more energy in 1 hour than the whole world uses in a year. Plants, which are kind of like biological chefs, take that sunlight, and then suck in some CO2 from the air, mix them together, and bam! They create a stored form of energy, in the form of carbohydrates such as glucose and sucrose. The process is called photosynthesis. When animals like us eat those plants, our stomachs convert that food back into energy for our own growth. Greenhouse gases are a byproduct of this process, and are released through waste. If those plants die, they decompose, and tiny microorganisms break down those carbohydrates and again, release greenhouse gases as a byproduct. As you see, energy originates from the sun. It is then transferred as it moves through the food chain. But sometimes, carbon-based organisms like plants or animals get stuck in the earth. The major currency of our reward system is dopamine, an important chemical or neurotransmitter. There are many dopamine receptors in the forebrain, but they're not evenly distributed. Certain areas contain dense clusters of receptors, and these dopamine hotspots are a part of our reward system. Drugs like alcohol, nicotine, or heroin send dopamine into overdrive, leading some people to constantly seek that high, in other words, to be addicted. Sugar also causes dopamine to be released, though not as violently as drugs. And sugar is rare among dopamine-inducing foods. Broccoli, for example, has no effect, which probably explains why it's so hard to get kids to eat their veggies. Speaking of healthy foods, let's say you're hungry and decide to eat a balanced meal. You do, and dopamine levels spike in the reward system hotspots. But if you eat that same dish many days in a row, dopamine levels will spike less and less, eventually leveling out. That's because when it comes to food, the brain evolved to pay special attention to new or different tastes.
I am excited to talk about the fascinating evolution of astronomy and how it has expanded our understanding of the cosmos. This field, blending ancient observations with modern technology, continues to intrigue and inspire. Astronomy's journey from early stargazing to the use of advanced telescopes illustrates the human quest for knowledge. Ancient civilizations used the stars for navigation and timekeeping, laying the groundwork for today's astronomical achievements. The Hubble Space Telescope, for instance, has allowed us to peer into distant galaxies, reshaping our understanding of the universe. Moreover, the study of astronomy has profound implications for our place in the universe. It challenges us to think beyond our planet, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity. Discoveries about black holes, distant planets, and the possibility of life beyond Earth continue to captivate and motivate future generations of astronomers. In this presentation, I am excited to share with you the surprising benefits of dark chocolate on health. Often considered a guilty pleasure, dark chocolate, in reality, offers a variety of health advantages when consumed in moderation. Dark chocolate, rich in cocoa, is packed with antioxidants, specifically flavonoids. These compounds are known for their role in reducing heart disease risk by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of small amounts of dark chocolate can benefit cardiovascular health. Moreover, dark chocolate also positively affects brain health. Research suggests that the flavonoids in dark chocolate may improve cognitive function, enhance mood, and even provide neuroprotective effects. This makes it not just a treat for the palate, but also for the mind. Dark chocolate is more than just a dessert. Its health benefits, from improving heart health to boosting brain function, make it a delightful addition to a balanced diet. I want to focus on the critical role each of us plays in sustainable living and environmental conservation. As global environmental issues like climate change and pollution escalate, individual actions have never been more important. One key area is our daily choices. By opting for environmentally friendly products, reducing waste, and conserving energy, we contribute to a healthier planet. For example, choosing to bike or walk instead of driving reduces carbon emissions, and opting for reusable items over single-use plastics helps decrease pollution. Moreover, awareness and education play a significant role. Understanding the impact of our actions on the environment motivates us to make more sustainable choices. This knowledge can also be spread within our communities, leading to a collective effort towards environmental conservation. Every small action counts in the fight against environmental degradation. By adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives,